Hello students, welcome to SST class. Let us today start the second lesson, mapping the earth. You all are familiar with map. We have already, in the previous year, we had displayed the maps in the classroom. I hope you all know the maps. A map is a drawing of the whole earth on a flat surface. Get set, page number 191. In this lesson, we shall study maps, different types of maps, scales and their types, symbols, colors and legend. The globe is an exact but a very small replica of the earth. Globe is a model of the earth. It shows us the size, shape and exact location of continents and countries, oceans and seas on the earth. You all are familiar with the names of the continents and oceans. However, wouldn't it be such a bother to carry a globe around? Can you carry a globe wherever you go? No, it is not possible. Often, maps make a better option to study the earth as they are easier to carry and also give us very accurate information of a place. Map can be easily carried around with us wherever we go because we can fold it and take it along with us. See the pictures of a globe and of a map. Do you know the total land area of the earth's surface is estimated at 148,647,000 square kilometers. Just imagine how difficult it would be if we have to carry around a globe with us to find the way of our destination. Would it be easy for us to carry a globe wherever we go to see the location? No, it is not easy. Page number 192, maps. A map is a drawing of a part or the whole of the earth on a flat surface. This could be on a sheet of paper, a board or a wall. A map is generally made for a small part of the earth but can also be made for the whole earth as well. The bigger the size of the map, the more details about that geographical area it can cover. An atlas is a book containing several maps. Let us see the explanation. A map is a drawing of the earth on a flat surface. It is a sheet of paper on a board or a wall. It can be hung on the wall like a chart. The bigger is the map, you can clearly see the location of the places, oceans, continents, countries, rivers. Next, different types of maps. Political maps. Political maps show boundaries of the countries and states and the important cities. As you can see in the picture, page number 192, refer the picture, the political map. You can see the boundaries of the countries, states and the important cities. Here are hot questions, higher order thinking questions. See the yellow box. Look at the political map of India and name the countries that share boundaries with us. Mark your state and name those states that share boundaries with your state. Count the total number of states in India. The answer is the countries that share boundaries with India are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Bangladesh and Myanmar. The state in which we live is Karnataka. There are 29 states in India. Page 193. Physical maps. Physical maps show natural features of the earth such as mountains, plains, plateaus, lakes, rivers and so on. You can refer the picture. Physical maps shows us natural features. Those are mountains, plains, plateaus, lakes, rivers and so on. You can see in the picture. Find out. Look at the physical map of India, name the water bodies that surround our country, also list the mountain ranges shown by blue lines in the map. The water bodies that surround our country are the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. The mountain ranges are, you can see the blue colored lines, Greater Himalayas, Middle Himalayas and the Shivalik Hills. Next, thematic maps. Thematic maps shows a specific theme or topic related to an area, such as kind of soil, rain, climate, mineral deposits, natural vegetation, crops, industries, places of tourist interest, etc. The thematic map shown here shows the climatic regions in India. The thematic maps shows the topic related to an area, a particular area, the kind of soil, rainfall, climate, mineral deposits, the plants and animals. There we can find out what type of industries and tourist places are there. So in the next class we'll continue the lesson. Thank you.